Hey, I'm Scott Decker, 3M Authorized Trainer, and today we're going to talk about emblem removal. This Audi R8 came to us in dire need of a facelift, but our guys over at TRUELINE Automotive hooked us up with some 3M Gloss Bright Yellow, and that's really going to bring some life back into this thing. But before we jump into wrapping, we're going to go ahead and remove these emblems. To get this done properly, there's a few things that we're going to need. We're going to start with some isopropyl alcohol, some ADHESIVE-OFF Pro, a couple of different colored microfibers, one for alcohol, one for ADHESIVE-OFF. We've got some chemical resistant gloves, some paper towels, we've got some clay bar, and we've got our trash bag for our bagging technique, which we're going to show you a trick using a scrap piece of vinyl. We've got our emblem removal tool, some masking tape, a Brothers chemical scraper, and then some sort of heat source, whether that's a traditional heat gun or a torch. Now we've knocked the dust off this thing, we're going to run some masking tape around the outside edges of the emblem. That's going to help protect the paint. Now I'm going to grab my emblem removal tool. In our emblem removal kit, you're going to find 6 foot of cutting string and 2 handles. We're going to take our first handle, open it up about 1/4 inch, and then take about 2 foot of the cutting string. And we're going to wrap it around the center of the handle 4 times and then tighten it up. Then we'll take the other handle and do the same thing. Now, once that's done, we're ready to go. A lot of people make the mistake of trying to use a squeegee to remove an emblem from a car. They'll push and pry, and they're going to ruin their squeegees, and they take a chance of scratching the paint. So we're going to take our cutting string, and we're going to slide it underneath the edge of the emblem. We're going to work back and forth in a sawing motion, and that's going to cut through the adhesive and help us remove the emblem from the car. The bagging technique has been around for a long time, but we're putting a modern twist on it by using a piece of scrap vinyl, some paper towels, and some ADHESIVE-OFF Pro. We want to make sure that we lock down all these outside edges. That's going to help hold our chemical in. And then we're going to let it go to work. And so are we. Whether that's cleaning the car, taking something apart, we just want to give this about 10 to 15 minutes and then come back, and that double-sided tape is going to come right off. Double-sided tape is pretty thick. So we're going to work at this in layers. We're going to take the top layer off, and then we'll go back with our paper towel. We'll wipe a little bit more adhesive remover on it, and then we'll get that next layer off. Do this a couple times, and you should be able to get it all off really quick. And that's how you make light work of removing emblems. Small details can make a big impact on your wrap projects. Go check out WrapOnTools.com, pick up an emblem removal kit, and as always, wrap on.